I say the youth when me say really don't they look for like people in an industry already for help is Alkaline.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Him get help too, you know. Is him get help, but not from people in our industry.
You keep talking, man, and you shut the fuck up.
A few moments later.
Cartel accepting the crown there, you know, say it come with responsibility also. The crown that you need to bring dancehall, which he might do. He might bring dancehall on him back right now.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, how we the latest news them love.
People are going, I don't know, one Media Fox panny up, you know. Yeah, man, so look at now. You don't know Ticket Watcher LLC, yeah, man, aka Alkaline Ticket Watcher them. You don't know, you know, them not have no ticket, you know, where they can get access to. So look at now, them have to branch off in a different categories. You see me? Yeah, man, I think where they them did that about album and paga thing, and then them talk about, what you call it, dancehall, you know, bass band, who carry dancehall pan back and who fear support the young artists, them, the elderly them. So listen what I go on, people. You see me?
Yo, you know, sir, me don't feel like dancehall and the dancehall, the veteran dancehall artists. When I'm a veteran, meaning that the artists are already established. Me don't feel so for them really, the industry and them and them, nothing really help young artists right way, you know. Yeah, because me see about 3 young artists drop album and me no hear nothing about it. Me no see the next man he will post up it or you know shout them out or
brother, you see in a dancehall, we don't love too much handouts, bro. We don't love putting in the work. That me realized. We don't love strength too much. That's how we don't reach far. We don't put out an album. We don't want 50 artists put it up on them page. We don't do this. We don't want this. We don't want that. What about promoting on a thing? Spend some money on promoting a product on a brand. No, we don't want freeness. We don't want artists post up this and that. We don't want to learn for do no own thing, my G. You understand? Build no brand. One of the things I want to out there represent them artists are there behind and push, you know? Do no own thing, my G. You understand? Represent. But no one not do no music. No bag of artists no here say, yo, sing this, yo, take out the line there, way. Do no own thing and stop look for handouts. And that's why enough of you get so comfortable with the bag of handouts them. Yo, the artists carry up on stage, way. So it make you get lazy. You don't want to put in your work. You understand?
do a collab with them and I feel like say enough of them producer them now do enough for young artists. Big up DJ man can crash them because I know them we can't cut them really look out for young you them. You see when Russian drop him storybook and the other one when do a cover Russian they look out for some young youth Russia while and them and then craft them, you see me? But me don't feel like say the producer them, the art producer them and the dancehall fraternity itself, they don't really look out for young youth them. You never afraid say
no, because back in the days they different. Now the juggling a bag of artists, seem like DJ make him over 200 nearly 300 artists. I think a 200 artists man it. Genius did have the rhythm with him. I don't know what go on. That thing they died on, you know. Like him stop put other artists on the rhythm, the Ilangoli rhythm and bag of things. So it's like the thing different, dog. You see me? DJ Mac know say alright, the young youths him young, so him understand. Back in the days, the big producer them back in the days, them no want advice no young youths. Because them feel like say when them do that, it's like the young youths them now got to want it in a program. So the young youths them then when Alkaline boss and them think they can kick down barriers. Alkaline showed the youths them say, yo, you know if you do this, a link with this and link with that, you can do it yourself. Alkaline create him producer them. You understand? How him boss enough producer to make people know enough producer. You understand? So I like that. Back in the days, a producer push out artists. Now a artist a push out producer now. You understand? As them call the name in one song, boom, when you look, every artist want come link you. Back in the days, a producer push out artists. If the artist and a link with Dango Vice with the producer, you're not going away. You understand? The game change right now. You see me?
People can take over, but them now look what.
Then just around you do what right now?
Yeah, because we see you drop album and we not even hear shot fire about it. So we don't even know if the album even good.
Yeah,
Brother, you're not going to shot fire about it if the artist not promote them album. And it's not worse if them not have the fan base there. If you promote it either and talk about it. You understand? The man them not spend no money in them brand. That's why them not get the highlight there. You understand? That's the problem in a dancehall. Them not do brand building. Them focus on controversy and hype and trending. That's what them do. You understand? You can in a dancehall and a billion band, bring a billion brand. But you try run down hype, get it trending and all them things. How long you gonna do that for? You know, focus on yourself, focus on your brand. Where you can do for create something where I go keep your longevity in a game. You not do that. You try to run down this hot song, you try to run down this. And once the moment they die down, you're going back to square one.
You get what I say?
I forgot listening to some of them.
No, what I say, why anybody not about it at all still? Like, alright, look on this. When I go lose, if me big up on a year song, or me like something for you, or me share something for you, me lose something.
But depends on which camp you're aligned to and all this in there.
Yeah.
You have to remember, you know, the certain artists that drop them album, you know. You have to remember, you know. Who have the biggest fan base?
Gaza people.
Okay then, who him did this?
Gaza, yeah, alright. But you have to remember too, everybody have a style of them pick them, you know. Alright, I have one artist named Iwater. You know, so at one point, Iman Intense did this Gaza Bass, right? But any idea, the two man them link with J.O.P. I don't know them, I mean, also Intense link with Vendetta, isn't it? But me not see them man there have them man thing for rotation, or big up them man thing, or big them up, or even shout them out, or not at all.
Cause then enough.
Brother, this is the thing with Uno, you know. Uno want other artists to push on a brand for Uno, brother. Promote on a brand. Uno love handouts too much. So everything artist put on one next artist, post it. Remember, you know, not because this a money I link with this a money and this a money I promote it. It means say theme fans are gonna buy it, you know, my G. You understand? Them can say alright, this and that, yes. But you know, must give it that is reaction where it want. You see me, the artists have to promote him oneself as well. You cannot look for other people do that, my G. The artist only maybe can promote it with theme fans. But maybe theme fans alone can't carry to the level where he want it. So you have to go up there and promote it in a different platforms, different DC reach to a certain level, my G. The man them just now spend the money on promotion and marketing. And at that mash up for these dancehall artists. You understand?
If we build one thing.
No, but we must also dancehall state, you know, dancehall is a fall back thing to, you know. And enough man in the dancehall bust and their own thing. Majority of them fall back are going to link with a team or something, you know that too. The only person me see where me I say yo kind of doing own thing with different help at Alkaline. Me say I actually tell lie say him come change up dancer and kick down door because him come in the gang on the roof and him now tell people him say I remember at Teflon. He back in.
So them man they stay, brother. Bag of talking. Go on like them did that do this and do that kick down door and way. Where them they know? Where them I do now? I do some bag of chatting, brother. You see me? Some bag of talking, bro. Them man they run down hype and them look at thing there and way. And see when far back there. Them never focus. Them never build them brand. You understand? I just one of them thing there.
Aside in the side and Teflon help bring him and put him to the forefront, you know what I say? And Zamunda them and them people. But him never thought that, but as I said, the youth when me say really don't they look for like people in an industry already for help is Alkaline. In get help too, you know. Is him get help but not from people in the industry. So me know, so that's why I say, yo, you them need help.
Well,
young dancer need help. Me tell you they need help.
Them not need no help, brother. You understand? All them have to do a market themselves. Pay them money for help then. You see me? You know, and I saw these things. It's not free for all business. You see me? Alkaline do him sing, him thing himself. Him use him talent and do him thing. Him work with producer like any other artist. Look how much artists work with the same producer and them not reach Alkaline level. Alkaline work with Sunshine, him work with Frost, him work with Not Nice. How much artists work with them and them still not reach Alkaline level? It shows that Alkaline have a plan. Him know what him do. Him focus on him brand. You understand? That's why I'm reached so far. You see it? So anyway, you take it to Alkaline, determination, him set him destiny. That's why I'm reached far. The other artists them want everybody put a hand on them shoulder. You see it? And once them hand they come off his shoulder, it nah no way I go. Alkaline never do that. The youth focus on building brand. Forward with some different thing. Impact the place, set the pace. That's why I'm have the fan base there. Because him never focus on the hype and them thing. Them use music. You see me? And the way him move, or him carry himself, or him represent him brand. Him make sure say him not get himself in a no bagger, saga problem for damaging brand. You understand? And that them young artists have to focus on and start go on these bagger interviews and them thing they have to mash up themselves and say what them enough you say. You see it? Because them know the industry stay ready.
And the big guns them like Cartel, Alkaline them. You see me? And I do one of them. Them big names there. You see it? Big producers them. Work with the youth man, collaborate with the youth man, put them out there because remember you know. Any idea? The dancehall. You know how when time you hold and stop the dancehall now as a veteran, dancehall stop. Because nobody not going to see you need I know.
The man say get old dancehall. Brother, dancehall will never stop, brother. Remember say dancehall did it before Cartel, my G. You see me? It did it before Cartel. Them artists there stop do what them a do now. It not stop. So what if you stop music? Different generation, different artists you have, bro. You understand? So I don't know what you say. Bro, artists can do what them can do. Not because two artists do a collaboration. Means say it a go hold the artist for the next 10 years. The artist have to do something for himself. Build him brand. Yeah, him get a collaboration, yes, do a little thing. But him have to have more things. You think every song when him do, him have to collaborate with this artist, or him to the song that he might do by himself. Him have to have the marketing and the promotion with those songs as well. You understand? Oh, artist collaboration can't carry you go far, my G. You have to build your thing too. You see me? Because remember say, and every collaboration you have a benefit of my G. Sometimes you can make the other artists, especially the bigger artists, gain more. You understand? You just did it, you know, look on Skillibeng. Skillibeng do a thing with Tyler and all of them look a thing there. I label pay for that. Him not get no money off of that. Label don't give money already. You understand? So anyway you take it here, we get one look monthly listeners, but he not make him gain no followers, him not gain no fans like that. You see me? If you put him on a show right now, the millions or something when I get money now go pop up, I'm sure. You see it?
So you have to strengthen the youth them, give them a push. You see me? And give them to get music cartel go and collaborate Pablo YG. Me like that.
You don't know them man they always get strength.
He not really give right strength still. He need for you me.
But
do more for you.
No, but
remember
say Cartel, you know you can't really say that still in the dark. Remember say Cartel do enough in a dancehall as regards to helping out our
more you say you got my king.
No man, make you some man never say them a king and goat and
Yes, Cartel put a lot of man to the forefront, yes, but him still damage them. You understand? You have to remember that, you know. Black Rhino. Who else? A lot of the artists them. You a producer, Da Vinci. Where you talk about? A lot of the artists them, yeah, him give them the highlight, but the things them will happen after that. You see it?
and what them people the dog and me and Danger and them people the dog.
The difference is, you know, you say man them we say we not rate the body way, we say we no self-proclaim. You see you alright, you did know say Cartel accepting the crown there, you know say it come with responsibility also. The crown there is not something if you just don't mark with and say I bless you know. The crown there you need to bring dancehall, which him a do. Him a bring dancehall on him back right now.
Man say crown a Cartel get. If you move, we want to get this analogy where one man fear carry a whole genre. When you sick in an head, especially Vybz Cartel, brother, Vybz Cartel a 50-year-old, my G. You talk about generations. You understand? The generation we in now is not a high percentage of fan of Vybz Cartel, my G. Young artists, them a deal with. If you ask them, at this are them artists, at this are them artists, my G. Cartel generation overdue right now. You see me? It gone over. You see it? Yeah. You have people who listen to music and see sensation on the internet and thing, brother. But that time passed, bro. You see me? Them just give Cartel. I must say Cartel and the system give him the crown, you know. You see me? Right now, brother, people, to be honest, because them not see the reality. In a which genre right now, where you see them a push up a 50-year-old artist for carry on the genre. Tell me. Not even a R&B, hip hop, Afrobeat, reggaeton. You know, see them a push up na 50-year-old me G. I be a young artist in Africa. You talk about Davido them, Wizkid them, Thames them. You talk about R&B and Chris Brown them. All of them look a young youth there. The girl them see my young people them G. Generation gone. You understand? The man I say Cartel I carry dancehall. 50 year old I carry dancehall pan back. And you know see that in no other genre. Eh? Something wrong with them G. But look here. You say carry pan back and you realize Cartel have a lot of his songs. But listen, brother, things and time change. Look on this. So this a Cartel latest song. You have to understand me, G. Listen, look on the crowd and listen to the song. This is the song where them say must say in a bathroom or one bag of thing.
1 eternity later.
You see, these are the things that I talk about. You have to understand, dog. It's like it's right there in an eyesight and you not realize what going on. You understand? Something will not run with, and that's how the world I see it. You saw everybody run with the little thing with the Cartel thing in a bathroom and sing and this. Them say I promote Cartel, I promote song, you know. But look at this crowd when they must sing it. The crowd I say, what is? I'm telling you, say not everybody up on the internet and know what going on, brother. You might see something on the internet, and when you go there in the real world, bro, it's a different thing. You understand? But listen what them say, people.
They do them when they barricade. Because the dancehall never have no barrier, no. Some of them days and Ninja Man them and Super Cat them, but something happen, what they and the barricade and lock in dancehall. You know, kick it back down and I put dancehall back on the forefront. So we give him profit that. But
so the man said dancehall did lock in where they lock up back and Cartel forward and kick it down. Me not understand where. You know what fool, you know? Vice Cartel forward out, right? And I go these places. Some place he has never been before, and some place him get banned and I go there for years. Cartel do a bag of shows. High in demand. So it go draw a huge crowd. Right? Una use that for say, oh, yo, dancehall this and that. But una realize when those shows are finished, like now, Cartel first show for the year was Cayman. What Cartel, alright, Cartel not doing no shows no more. Wait I do for dancehall. I kind of feel like say shows alone can carry on dancehall, brother. You need music. Why you think people pop up at the show? You think because, oh, Cartel, you think say if Cartel never do music, that amount of crowd they would come see him? And music, my G. You understand? When you use hype and controversy on the internet when it comes to Vibes Cartel and when him go out there in the media, see the man sing the song. And the people them say, yo, what is? You understand? Because una prep up certain things, the reality, my G. You understand? Cartel do him for do him can't do much. The man can't do much, brother. You understand? Him can't do much right now. Because the generation has moved on. What Uno use is internet hype. And that not use it Cartel. If Cartel stop posts on the media, like overall stop posts, Uno would have see the effect. You understand? Because that do not run with. Uno not run with music when it comes to Vice Cartel. A hype Uno use, my G. You understand? But in due time, Uno gonna realize still.
That's the only job. And maybe it's not a pressure about any idea. I him take up the title and I him sit down on the throne. So yeah, them thing that come with them they want a responsibility to come with the king title. You have to help you. You have to put youth out there too. Because remember say that you are gonna run the place tomorrow. So you have to strengthen them youth there. You have to put them on. Bounty killer do it, you see me? Well, that's that. Yeah.
But bro, Cartel push youth out there. The only thing is that it just never work out. The youth them have to fine. Remember, you know, Cartel put Popcorn out there, Javinci, all of them. Seeing? Cartel end up go prison. You think the Cartel could have done nothing for them from prison, G? The man them would have to take on themselves and do them thing themselves. You understand? Him just alright, make people know them. But them have to do them thing them own self, bro. You see me? Uno want artists get up every day and just have help other artists. Brother, if them can't help themselves, an artist can't help them, G. You understand? Remember say the artists them have to focus on feed them brand too. You see me? no contract never sign or this and say, yo, the artist, a response for the artist. You see it? So remember that, my G. You see me?
So you have to do cartel boss enough you to not get me wrong, you know. But remember say him revamp himself and come back in one new, you see me? Our new cartel is again now, you know. So you bust some more youth again now. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, so cartel need to help too. Alkaline have a big platform, help. And start move anti-social, help.
So yeah, say Alkaline boss more youth or him have platform and him need for. So wait there. Do you know new rules are one of the platform them will highlight most of the young artists them? You know that? Look on this. This was new rules in 2022. You have Skeng, you have Star Ashley, you have Javilani, you have Star Captain, you have Nax, you have Highwater, you have Marcy Chin, you have Intense, you have some youth now, Sheridan, Izone, you have when name Casqueen or something like so. The man been a platform where I like artists them G. You understand? Some of them know what you talk about. All when the industry yo say them artists you fall off, the man still put them on them platform G. You understand? Some of them know what you talk about. Alkaline always highlight the young youths them. You see me? See it yeah? This is the one in a Chilani, I think last year. Intense what name? Armani. Him they have something upon it too. What name? Briscoe Bass. Briscoe, yeah, and see him have Silk Bass. So I don't know what you talk about, brother. The man even remember said one time I'll Tifa up on the show. Nobody never get Tifa strength. Tifa, I can't tell when last before that Tifa do a show at Jamaica. And see it, Tifa up on the show, Monga. So I don't know what I talk about, G. Alkaline always I help artists and I put them on him platform, G. And the worst thing, are the artists them on the so-called they fall off too. You see me? So he might look out for the culture and want the thing grow. Cause you would rather say you the artists them fall off and don't highlight them. Alkaline saying no man want to think. I say Alkaline fall out and say more young artists boss. You understand? Yeah man. See there? New rules UK. Roger Wild and Armani. Man always highlight the youth them G. You see me? Some don't know what you talk about. You see me?
You them. And the rest of you man them. Right now they need help Masicka because him need help too, but we not gonna say. But help young youth them is what I say.
You alright, you know. You see me, Masicka good man. Masicka good. You see me, him just never learn. You see it, him should have reached the level where Alkaline reach, but you know, him try to drain a certain energy and say more and left the energy and no one knows it, brother. Once you go to say there's no return, you know. No turning back, you know. You see me, but people, big up on yourself. You see me? In due time, I'm gonna understand what I go on, man. You see me? Big up on yourself. One media facts pan app. That is it.